Namaste, myself JVN Professor Dr. KK Chaudhary, Faculty of Education and Methodology. My subject is Pedagogy of Biology, and today we will discuss about the organization of the Science Club. The scientific and technological advancement of today is a long forward journey from Stone Age. Each individual has his or interest, talent, and abilities. Even a progressive syllabus failed to catch the need of each science educator. Nowadays are found to exhibit growing interest and means of stimulating group participation and mobilizing interest in learning science organization. Learning science, organizing science club is one among such activities. Thorough activity of science club, learning of science become joyful. Then what are the objectives of the science club? The objective is to provide proper incentive and inspiration for the pursuit of scientific knowledge in rigorous way by broadening their scientific outlook. Second, to provide opportunity for bringing school close to the society and to acquaint the people with the service and contribution of the science in their life. To develop among the student the spirit and attitude of healthy competition for the individual and social cause. To help the student in imbibing the habit of self-reliance, self-dependence, and love for manual work. To provide the opportunity for the development of the constructive, explorative, and inventive faculties of the students. To create interest in latest invention and discoveries of science in various fields and to get acquainted with the life, history, and contribution of great scientists. To develop student inter and participation in the practical application of the knowledge related to different branch of the science. To develop training in scientific method of problem solving, to encourage individual and the group activities, to develop in children a sense of healthy competition, to stimulate the active participation and initiative among students in the learning process, to keep the student in touch with the recent advances in the science. What is the importance of the organization of science club? A properly organized science club will be a valuable aid to teaching science and also a mean of motivating the children for learning science. The successful working of the club depend on the person who organize it and also on the interest and enthusiasm of the students. Though science club is run by student for the student and science teacher is the pivot of all activities. To begin with, the science teacher can explain the importance and benefit of organizing science club and can arouse enthusiasm among students. This discussion may be followed by business meeting in which office bearers are chosen. Every science club should have its own constitution. There should be a general body and an executive body. The principal or the headmaster be the patron and the science teacher should be the sponsor. Executive members such as president, vice president, secretary, treasurer, librarian, publicity officer, etc. are chosen from among the student members. The executive committee has to out the programmers. These activities of the club should be taken up by the student themselves. There should be a regular meeting, discussion, planning, feedback, etc. Responsibility of taking initiative in the establishment of a science club in the school and then for its effective organization essential list. With a science teacher, therefore, every science teacher must acquire the necessary ability for performing such responsibility by taking care of thing mentioned below. First, functional organization. Every office bearer and the member of the club should work wholeheartedly in a team spirit for the smooth and effective running of the program and activity of the club. Usually the following type of activities may be undertaken in a science club: publishing science magazine and news bulletin of scientific event, preparing certain things of common use like soap, writing, ink, tooth powder, shoe polish, phenyl, varnish, etc., organizing school service in the field of health and sanitation, creating in the school healthy environment for carrying out scientific study and activities, arranging talk and lecture of the distinguished speakers, subject expert and outside guest on the subject of the scientific interest. Then the structural organization. Structural organization of the science club usually involve the following office bearer. Duty of the publicity officer: to publicize the activity of the club in the school and outside the school through poster and writing in the magazine, newspaper and scientific journal. To keep a record of all important scientific activities, achievement and program of the club. Duty of the treasurer: to prepare budget of the club and present the statement of the account when asked. To keep the proper account of income and expenditure of the club. Duty of the secretary: to take the responsibility of conducting the program and activity of the club, to take charge of all correspondence related with the club activities, to frame the program of the meeting and keep proper record of the proceeding of the meeting of the club, to invite the outside expert and guest speaker in the club and attend them properly. Then the preliminary organization. After performing the above mentioned task, the teacher should call a formal meeting of the science teacher, should call a formal meeting of the science student. In this meeting, the proposal and scheme concerning the organization of science club in the school should be discussed. Aim and objective of this club are to be placed before the student, and constitution of the club is chalked out and the membership drive is launched. After getting appropriate response, a initiative response from the student, he must try to contact the head of the institution and senior colleague for their consent and advice on the issue of starting a science club. The science teacher should try to create a suitable environment and persuade the student to feel a need of establishing science club in their school. Then activities of the science club. Though activity of the science club, learning of science becomes joyful, the science club cater to freedom for expression, whereas the classroom atmosphere lead to conformity and repression. While activity participating in a science club, student organize thought and translate these into the action and thereby develop a zealous enthusiasm to strive for the cause of scientific enterprise. Though the science club, it is possible to develop positive attitude towards learning science. A list of club activities are following below: organizing lecture, debate, seminar, symposium, holding science exhibition and the fair, celebrating birthday of the eminent scientist, conducting visual program of a scientific interest, arranging visit to place of scientific interest, preparing of chart, poster, models, developing school garden, displaying science news, participating in scientific hobby, helping the community by way of demonstration, eradication of superstitious beliefs, conducting science quiz competition, conducting science related projects, organizing creativity work on the science, and preparing the working model of science topic. This is all about the organization of the science club. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women University. Hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in the comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you very much.